Hello everyone. I'm Laxmi Police Patil from 2021 pass out. I have completed my graduation in Appa Institute of Engineering and Technology, Kalburgi under the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Let us talk about Jspider Rajajinagar, Bangalore. It is one of the best institute to learn and to improve the knowledge and IT skills. Here, each and every faculties are good and they are supportive. The HRs will also give the lot of opportunity and they will help us to till we get placed. Even though I have got placed in good company with good package. If you want to learn the good IT skills, then move towards the Jspider Rajajinagar, Bangalore. I wish like to say thank you so much for all the faculties and HRs. Especially thank you for Keshav sir, Uday sir, Bhuvan sir and Sharik sir and all and HR's team. Thank you so much. Finally, thank you so much Jspider Rajajinagar, Bangalore.